Ever pondered about something that is both a superfood and a natural multivitamin? Let's dive into the world of Moringa, the miracle tree of nature that has been making waves in the health and nutrition sector. Moringa, a plant native to parts of Africa and Asia, is the botanical superstar that we're spotlighting today. Known as the miracle tree, it's lauded for its nutritional density and myriad of health benefits. But what makes Moringa so special? Firstly, Moringa is a powerhouse of nutrients. Its leaves are packed with vitamins and minerals. Just a single serving of Moringa leaves contains 7 times the amount of vitamin C found in oranges, 4 times the vitamin A of carrots, and 4 times the calcium of milk. It's also a rich source of iron and potassium, making it an excellent natural multivitamin. Secondly, Moringa is a champion when it comes to antioxidants. These compounds are essential for protecting our bodies from harmful free radicals. Free radicals can cause cellular damage and lead to various health issues if left unchecked. Moringa leaves are filled with antioxidants like beta-carotene, vitamin C, quercetin, and even a unique compound known as moringine, which helps bolster our body's natural defense system. Thirdly, Moringa aids in balancing blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for those managing diabetes or pre-diabetic conditions. The compounds found in Moringa, such as isothiocyanates, help regulate blood sugar levels, ensuring they stay within a healthy range. Fourthly, Moringa supports heart health. It's high in fiber, which helps to lower cholesterol levels, and potassium, which can help to manage blood pressure. Both of these factors are essential in maintaining a healthy heart. Furthermore, Moringa has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or illness, but chronic inflammation can lead to health problems. Moringa's anti-inflammatory compounds can help reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms associated with it. Last but not least, Moringa is known for its potential to boost brain health. It's rich in antioxidants and compounds that may improve brain function and cognitive abilities, making it a brain food worth incorporating into your diet. To sum up, Moringa is a nutritional dynamo that delivers an array of health benefits. With its high nutrient content, antioxidant properties, ability to balance blood sugar levels, support heart health, reduce inflammation, and boost brain function, it truly lives up to its moniker as the miracle tree. So why not give Moringa a try? Whether you choose to add it to your smoothies, sprinkle it over your salads, or sip it as a tea, you'll be harnessing the power of this superfood to fuel your body and mind. Remember, the greatest wealth is health, and with Moringa, you're investing in a rich bounty of wellness.